Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming system details, Windows build, and whether you have 32 or 64-bit, because mismatched binaries cause entry point errors. Once done, back up any unsynced OneDrive files and note the Microsoft account you use. Next, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. This fixes missing or damaged DLLs that OneDrive expects. Make sure Windows Update is current before proceeding to the repair or reinstall steps. Now you address dependencies and the OneDrive binary itself. First, attempt and in-place repair or uninstall/reinstall via Settings Apps. This replaces OneDrive.exe with the correct build. Then install or repair Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64 because missing runtimes commonly cause entry point failures. If a specific DLL name appears in the error, re-register it using regsver32 from an admin prompt. Make sure file finish by resetting OneDrive to clear configuration issues. Run the OneDrive.exe/reset command from %localappdata%path. If OneDrive doesn't restart automatically, launch it manually. Once running, sign in, verify sync resumes, and confirm the entry point error is gone. If problems continue, capture the exact error DLL or function name and reinstall the app or the component providing that DLL. Troubleshooting tip: temporarily create a clean user profile to rule out profile-specific corruption before deeper OS repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.